Hello, welcome to the science class. In today's class, we are going to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. This can be done with the help of an experiment, and the materials required for the experiment are a coleus plant. A coleus plant consists of both green and non-green parts. Watch glass and test tube. Beakers with water, alcohol, iodine solution, white paper, droppers, forceps, Bunsen burner and tripod stand with a wire gauge. Now let us begin the process. Pluck a coleus leaf from a plant. Transfer the leaf on a white paper and draw its outline. Also mark the green and non-green portions. Now boil the leaf in water in order to kill it. After boiling in water, again boil the leaf in alcohol. This is done in order to remove the green pigment called chlorophyll from the leaf. Wash the leaf in cold water and place it in a watch glass. After that, pour some drops of iodine solution over it. Compare the leaf with the drawing you had made. What can you observe? Yes, only those areas become blue which are marked as green. We have already studied that starch is a product of photosynthesis, and when a leaf containing starch is dipped in iodine solution, it turns blue-black. Thus, we can conclude that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Thank you.